Okay, y'all, I'm sitting here in the recliner resting. You're getting ready to see a delicious, healthy recipe, but stay tuned to the very end and I'll show you some things we've been working on at the farm today. Hey y'all, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I'm sorry if you hear the TV in the background, but we've got storm, so I've got the TV on just in case an alert comes through. So, we are going to make a healthy recipe really quick, really easy. I mean, it takes a little while to bake, but the putting it together, super easy, super good. So, let's get started. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, I'd love for you to hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not new, please give me a thumbs up and welcome back. So stay tuned. We are making cheesy breadsticks. Well, faux breadsticks.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is...
Okay, so a lot of you enjoyed me doing an occasional healthy recipe, so here's one for you. And if you're craving breadsticks, this one is good for you. So we are going to do this. I'm super excited and I can't wait to dig in myself. So, all right, in this bowl, oh, I hear an alert coming across. In this bowl, we have a cup of riced cauliflower. And I just microwaved this bag, and then I poured out the cup, and then I took a napkin and soaked up a little bit of the liquid since it was frozen. So to that, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of egg beaters. So 1/4 of a cup. All right, let me grab the cheese. We're going to add some cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder in here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so to our cauliflower, I'm just going to give a quick little sprinkle of garlic. We'll put more on the top, so you don't need... Oh, there's a little bit more egg beaters in there. Okay, so I've got 3/4 cup of cheese, mozzarella cheese, and you can do the lower fat. And I'm just going to stir this up. Be sure everything is coated with the egg beaters. Okay. So, and this is so quick I don't have all my stuff out. I'm going to put a piece of parchment in the bottom of this loaf pan. We're going to give it a quick little spray. Okay, so we're just going to pour this in here. Oh, this is going to be so good. I have my oven preheating to 350. Let me get a silicone. So you don't have to hear it scrape, the metal scrape against that bowl. These silicone things are so wonderful. I want to get everything out. Okay, so now, oops, get in there. Okay, so I'm just going to spread this evenly. And I want to be sure it's all even and packed down. You probably could actually do this without the parchment, but it just makes it easy to lift it in and out. All right, so this is going to go in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. I've got it all fairly even. Okay, so we're going in right now. Well, when it preheats. So we're going to set this aside. When it preheats, we're going in for 30 minutes. I'll see you when that 30 minutes is up. We're not done. We still have some more bacon to do, but we'll see you back in just a little bit. The first round in the oven is done, so let me show it to you. Oh, look at that. Now let me tell you, I got this, Frank came in here, I thought he was going to say something. I got this recipe from, I think it's Fuel Network TV. I don't think they're making videos anymore, but this is one I had to try. So now what I'm going to do is take it out. Whoops. Tighten it up for me. Okay. Can you put it down here so they can see? I'm taking it out of the loaf pan and we're just putting it on a cookie sheet and it's going back into the oven, but I've turned the oven up to 450 degrees. So it's going back in for about 15 minutes. So I'll see you when we get it out again. All right, y'all, we're just about done with these breadsticks. So we're gonna take them off of this parchment and we're just gonna go ahead and cut them into strips or sticks. One, two, three. I gotta make it even so Bryant and I can have one apiece. Okay, and we're gonna put it right back on this parchment. We're gonna take, ow, that's hot. We're gonna take some mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle on top. Like such. We're gonna take some Italian seasoning. Sprinkle that on top. And garlic powder on top. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on the cookie sheet. And back in the oven it goes for about 10 more minutes. All right, are y'all ready for a taste test? First of all, let's see. I got the cheese a little bit. Look at that cheese pull. Can y'all see that? All right, let me call Bryant over. We're actually going to save these to go with our supper tonight, but we're going to taste one. We're going to taste one for you guys. Okay, y'all, so here we go.
Hey, hey, hey.
I've got us a little jar of Rayo's marinara. Oh, I was going to taste this one.
You taste that one.
Let's take, well, it don't matter. You've already opened it.
No, let's do that. Let's do this. Okay.
You go.
You go first. You go first. Ooh, it's hot. Pretty good? Mm-hmm. Hot? Mm-hmm. Now she knows how I feel. Here we go. Try it. It's beautiful. The texture, the color.
I'm actually going to have to eat the little one. Mm.
Let them cool first.
They're good.
That's delicious. Know what all's in here?
Cauliflower,
Mm-hmm.
cheese,
Mm-hmm.
egg beaters,
Yep.
and just seasoning.
So pretty healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very healthy.
You wouldn't know that it's healthy.
Mm-mm. We gotta save these for our supper.
Okay. So
We're having little pizzas tonight for our supper, so we'll have these breadsticks with them.
Mm-hmm.
healthy pizzas too. So that's good. Okay, here's you another healthy one for your repertoire.
Definitely a keeper.
It's definitely a keeper. Okay, well, that's it. The main thing is the bacon of this. It's so easy to throw together.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah, it's really good. The main thing is just bacon, because you bake it 3 different times. So, all right. Thank you so much for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. We sure do love. I said those were for our supper.
No.
We sure do love and appreciate you all so much. Remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me well because the skid steer is going right here. But if you can see this heel right here, Bryant's coming in and he's taking that down. I'll show you over here what it's going to look like. Skid steer's really loud, especially when he backs up. But he's cutting that heel down. Now let me explain why. Because we got a grant for to put rock and gravel out for a drip area to combat any erosion. So he is getting this cleaned out, and then we'll put a plastic down, and then we have to put rock on top of that. It has to be so many inches wide and so many inches deep, and we've got to get it done because, as you can see, the gravel for these 2 houses has been left right here in the middle of the chicken house driveway. And once we get chickens, we're gonna need our feed trucks to be able to get in. So we've got to get this pile of gravel out of the way. Although, Judabug, let me tell you, when he's gonna hate to see this load of gravel go because he loves to climb and play on the gravel. So that's what he's doing. So we've got some work to do around the farm. Hopefully it's gonna warm up the rest end of the week, and we can get some work done. Hey guys, we have worked all morning long at the farm today. We're putting out rock for a drip edge for erosion control. We did receive a grant to do this, so this is great. But today I held down the plastic and put the plastic in place, and Bryant dumped the rock. Now we still have to come back through and rake it and even it out. It has to be, I think it's 3 inches by 30 inches. So we'll see. Now he is on these cool sales, it comes out further than the house, so we had to do this by hand. Now he has built him a little jig here, and I'm gonna get to drive the tractor while the jig works. The jig will put out paper and smooth out the rock all at the same time. So it is squeaky. It's a super cool jig. Him and Trevor did this, and so yeah, I'm super excited to see this thing in action. So we'll be back in just a little bit.